Today I show you how to change the alarm volume on your iPhone. When you have the alarm when it's ringing in the morning or any time of the day, you can choose if you want to set the alarm louder or quieter. If you press on the left of the iPhone, you will have these volume buttons, but even if you set the volume button here to the maximum, this is actually the media volume. It's not the alarm and ringtone volume. If you want to change the alarm volume, you have to go into the settings and then go to sound and haptics here. That's the sound and haptics. Here you have this volume. This volume setting is for ringtone and alerts, including your alarm. So if your alarm is too quiet, you will have this, you could increase it here. If it's too loud, you could decrease it. But this will also decrease the ringtone and alerts. So if you wanted to have it a bit quieter, not so loud, you could have it like that. That's how you change the alarm sound and the ringtone and alerts all together. And you could choose the option to change with buttons. So now when I change the volume, you see that it's actually changing the ringer. So that includes, so if I make it really loud now, I could see in the settings, now this changed. So I could change it with the buttons. I prefer to have it somewhere like this in the middle, not too far, and I also don't like to change it with the buttons, so I don't reduce it to minimum by mistake. Like this I can change the volume independently from the alarm, and it's easier for me like this. The volume here is for the alarm clock. So that's the alarm clock you have on your clock app. You have your alarms, and there, this alarm will have a sound that you might want to. So this is the sound, this is where you change the sound for the alarm, and the setting to change the volume of the alarm is together with the ringtone and all the other alerts. I hope this helps you set the volume for your alarms on your iPhone, and if you wanted to change them with the buttons, you could also do that. Thanks for watching.